Here we are at the Intero Car Show today, May 19th. They're just setting it up to benefit for the kids. I think we're going past all the 50s here, 55, 56, Chevys, all these hot rods coming in. Goes all the way down there, more hot rods, Camaro. Oh, there's my Firebird. Then you go this way. Some more old cars here. This is Intero's annual benefit for the kids. Last year they raised $5,000. They're trying to double that this year. Okay. You come around here. We got old trucks, a Challenger, some Myers Manx dune buggies. It looks like the Charger Club down this way. Take a walk down and check it out. So come on out.